To open a freepik contributor account and start sharing your creative content, follow the below step-by-step procedure. 1. Visit the freepik website. Go to the official freepik website by typing www.freepik.com in your preferred web browser. 2. Access the Become a Contributor section. On the freepik homepage, locate and click on the Become a Contributor option. This will redirect you to the contributor page. 3. Understand the requirements. Read through the requirements and conditions mentioned on the contributor page. Ensure that you meet all the prerequisites, such as being at least 18 years old and owning the copyright to the content you plan to upload. 4. Click on Sign Up. Once you have reviewed and understood the requirements, click on the Sign Up button to proceed with the account creation. 5. Fill in your details. You will be prompted to fill in your personal details, such as your name, email address, and password. Ensure that you enter accurate information to avoid any issues in the future. 6. Agree to the terms of service. Carefully read the terms of service provided by freepik and tick the checkbox to indicate your agreement. 7. Verify your account. freepik may require you to verify your account before proceeding further. Check your email inbox for a verification link sent by freepik and click on it to confirm your account. 8. Complete your profile. Once your account is verified, you will be redirected to your freepik contributor profile. Fill in all the required details, such as your bio, profile picture, and portfolio samples. The more detailed and appealing your profile is, the better chances you have of attracting potential clients. 9. Submit your content samples. freepik may request you to provide samples of your work for evaluation purposes. Choose your best creations and upload them according to the specified guidelines. This step determines your eligibility as a contributor. 10. Await approval. After submitting your content samples, you will have to wait for freepik's team to review and confirm your account. This process may take some time, depending on the volume of applications they receive. 11. Start contributing and earning. Once your account is approved, you can start uploading your creative content, such as illustrations, templates, icons, and photos, to the freepik platform. Keep in mind the quality standards and guidelines provided by freepik to ensure your content meets their requirements. Congratulations! You have successfully opened a freepik contributor account. Start showcasing your talent, reaching a wider audience, and earning from your creative endeavors.